Go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah.
10 Crystal Commandments.
Stockton living, nigga. West
Out
side.
here, nigga.
South side,
Home,
nigga.
nigga.
You know we get down 209, nigga. We out here on the block, nigga.
Well, it's the 10 Crystal Commandments, and I'ma hand it to you folks. If you can stay on top and off, I'll pick to the smoke. You see, the game is too congested, it's been tested, I'ma try. It's a struggle, just a hustle, in the bubble, so them lies. Got me thinking that this tweaking was the way we supposed to live. See these soldiers out like smokers, giving all they got to give. My daddy was a boss, but he lost it in a week. He did 14 years up in the pen and went right back to the streets. I gotta eat, so now I'm thugging, keep a chopper on my lap. Put a bopper, she's a doctor, and I'll put her on the track. It's a fact that this crack and this Chris got them twisted. Lost my homies to the game. Damn, I really miss them. Well, it's the 10 Chris Commandments, and I'ma hand it to you folks. If you can stay on top and off, I'll big to the smoke. I seen a lot of niggas broke and a lot of family crushed, but I understand it, how badly you wanna feel the rush. The first rule to this tale is keep a bitch about your bitch. I don't spot on the turf, she should be always with your kids. Second rule to dismissive, keep your nose about the dirt. Don't expose it if you're smoking, keep your nose about the work. The third one is a turf one. Watch the cat you fuck with, they talk to the feds, stop your bread, and always be on some dumb shit. Number 4 is for your hoe. Don't let her hit on shit, cause she'll be broken when she smoking, cause she choking on a dick. Number 5 ain't no job, better keep your paper straight, cause when you're ballin', niggas falling, and they always love to hate. Number 6 is the shit, keep knocks on the team, give her the speed with the end in, you'll have lots and lots of cream. Number 7 is for Devin, cause the pussy's just like dope. Check them rippers and the strippers, cause they only wanna smoke. Number 8 is for the fakes, man, they wish they had my image. Give them the bag and they'll be glad, cause they really is addicted. Number 9 is for my grind, keep the product handy, get a metro or a chirper, cause they always want the candy. Number 10 is the end, if you're falling, cast some time, get a female that's gonna prevent, stay on down the line. Well, it's the 10 Chris Commandments, and I'ma hand it to you folks. If you can stay on top and not fall victim to the smoke. I seen a lot of niggas broke and a lot of families crushed, but I understand it, how badly you wanna feel the rush. She finna for the thing to put the hype in her life. She got a pack bubble, but the bitch need a light. She holding out a thumb like she hitching for a ride. I slap my hand out like, bitch, put it in my life. I don't need a wife, man, I only save a player. I got Jordans on my feet, cause I'm ducking, dodging haters. Old school gang like the boy Chuck Taylor. We running through these hoes like a pack of now ladies. It's the 10 Chris Commandments, I'ma hand it to you folks. If you can stay on top and not fall victim to smoke. I seen a lot of niggas broke and a lot of families crushed, but understand it, how badly you wanna feel the rush. I'm always on go, nigga, tell me when to stop. Only time I rest my head is when the feds is on the block, cause it's hot. Like my A5 money, pulled a nigga out the Delta and identified his body. 4 shots to his helmet, got his melon looking swole. I know somebody's telling said I left this melon full of hoes, but the crime scene was clean. See, if I can't fuck with me, here's a lesson to the stitches. If you drop a dime on G, straight up out the valley, 209 is how I'm living. Stockton, California, and we riding down on snitches. Time to hit the switches, shake to the spot. My BZ acting funny, she said, G, you getting hot. So I'm off to the next one, bitches being some my burrito. I posted all the block, getting cream with all my peoples. That shit good.